Jose, California. So we have the Lowrider S here, of course. We got it tuned, and now it's time to take some noise levels, some decibels. So we're gonna see if it added a little bit of noise. I doubt it. I am doubtful it added any kind of noise, but hey, let's just check it. Let's see if noise improved or it got louder from the dyno jet from the tuner at right here at Ram Racing here in San Jose, California. You guys can call and ask for Derren. I don't know if you guys can hear me. The bike's really loud. Derren at Ram Racing here in San Jose, California, off of Monterey and right, passing the fairgrounds. So we have a meter here. We're gonna turn it on. We're gonna see the idle. The idle, I believe, if I remember right, was, what was it, 100? Was it no, it wasn't 100. It was 90. It was almost 100 decibels. So we'll put it right here at 3 feet. Looks like it's still around the same. It's at I don't know if you guys can hear me. It looks like it's still at the same. It maxes out at about 94 decibels. So I'm gonna turn on the max setting on this so you guys can see. Yeah, it's at 98 max decibels. Set to max at 3 feet. 3 feet from the exhaust. So you guys can see that. All right, so let's go ahead and bring it up to 3,000 RPM. So that is 3,000 RPM, and it's at 107 decibels. It's about the same. It's about the same. Now let's bring it up to 4,000. Wow, that sounded really mean. All right, yeah, we gained a little bit. All right, no, it was the same. It's 130 decibels. You guys can see that max, 130 decibels. So sound-wise, after the tune, I mean, I knew it wasn't gonna change because this thing already sounds mean at idle. It sounds amazing. It sounds great. The 475 sounds great. I'm still fighting a cold. Now I'll put you guys next to the exhaust, and you guys can hear the tune from the pipe. This is El Diablo Cobra pipe, made here in the United States. I really like the pipe only because it's really tame compared to the other options. I have a Bassani, I had Vance & Hines, I've had different options, and I really liked how tame this one. Well, it used to be tame when it had the OEM cam. Now with this new cam, it is significantly louder. So there it is. It's tuned. Did we add any more noise, any more sound to the pipe? No. Same sound, but now it performs a lot better. It responds. I like the overall performance of the pipe, of the cam now, the 475. For wondering numbers, it's 100 and what was it, 124 torque or 134 torque, 114 horsepower. So hey, thanks for tuning in. I'll do a full breakdown of price, cost, stage 2, everything that the specialty tools that I had to purchase, and stuff like that. I'm gonna make a whole video on everything. Is it worth it? All kinds of stuff. So you guys stay tuned. I still have, of course, more videos on the Sportster that I haven't uploaded. So I'm just backlogged on videos. You guys stay out there, stay safe. Thanks for tuning in. Life's risk, get out there and ride. Later.